Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Southern Smoke back at it again. Today I got me a couple ribeyes. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on the grill in a cast iron pan. So I'm gonna hit them with something really simple: garlic powder, some black pepper, and some Grill Mates steak seasoning. Just go flip them over, do the exact same thing. Now I'm going to take the Worcestershire sauce and put it over top of both of them, because it'll just drip down to the other side. So with this recipe, once the pan gets scalding hot, I'm going to put some red cooking water in the pan and throw the steak seasoning. So I have my cast iron pan nice and hot. Flame is cold on up. Check it out. Ooh. Look at that nice, pretty crust on there. Look at that, bro. Go ahead and add in my onions. My red one. Close back down. Woo-wee. Look at that. They looking beautiful. Just a little hot, a little bit. There we go. That's what I'm cooking on now. I'm gonna add my shrimp over in there. I'm gonna go grab it. Shout out to my boy Raymax Kitchen and Grill. I seen him cooking on the cast iron pan yesterday, so I had to go check it out, you know. Most definitely. Hey, I'm gonna do this more often. I like this outside. I love outdoors. Can't get enough of it. Then I got my wife saying I'm making a mess in the kitchen. Hey, go check out my man Ray if you ain't already following him, you know. Raymax Kitchen and Grill. I'm gonna put the link in this video below. Woo, look at that. Take this whole pan on the hot right here. Check it out, check it out. Y'all go ahead and go holler at my man Raymax Kitchen and Grill. He cooked some shrimp on the grill live yesterday in the cast iron pan. You can't go wrong with this. Getting the grill and the cast iron pan at the same time. Hey, thanks for watching, checking out this video. Hey, make sure you like and comment. Hey, peace out.
Subscribe and thank you for checking out Smoke Boss. Bye.